5 days ago, I made a video saying that my marriage to Austin Fanny is over. And that video came with a lot of backlash from people, with many insinuating that it's a clear case of domestic violence. It's not. Austin has never laid his hands on me. He has never even raised his voice at me. And God in heaven knows that's the truth. I am here at First Delta American Hospital as I'm receiving treatment. Several psychiatrists have come to assess me mentally, and I have been diagnosed of bipolar disorder. Bipolar is real. Here in Africa, we tend to not know about it due to ignorance or overlook it. I cannot tell you all how I've been feeling with these tiny videos that I've been making, but I will, however, show you in motion pictures soon.
Hello everyone, hello my beautiful people in the building. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you both for me for coming around again. My ogbonge people, my country people. You know, I say as I dey drive my bicycle, they go for Instagram. Now I say make I look. Now I see Chacha. When Chacha dey hospital bed they talk. Say she come out that day can't talk. Say she's done with the marriage. She no want marry again because of the what she they see, because she gets some kind BP grammar which she speak inside. But I could put the video more and listen because I don't feel talk everything. Finish. Say, but people they say now beat the man, they beat him. He say because he was man in our Austin. Say they beat him. Say maybe now because of beating, maybe she want come up for the marriage. He said so not be beating. He said the guy never beat her once at all. He said he never beat her once. He said beating never beat her once. He said but what did she they pass through past beating for inside the marriage? So now he make she say no, they marry again. Say enough is enough. Say she not go fit marry again. Say but that beating you no. Say no they beat her. And what did she talk with her own mouth? He say no they beat her, but what did she they pass through for the marriage past beating? You know, say there are some kind some kind maltreat where man go they maltreat you for house, he pass beating. In fact, if he even beat you, he better pass that maltreat when he go they give you for us. You understand me, my people? So according to her now, he say if the man no they beat him, that beating not just there at all. He said that they transfer her to one hospital to another. They don't even still carry her, go psychiatric, go carry, as in different one. Like she can't even do like who her head not correct again. You know, that is why not be everybody where you see for marriage say he wear fine clothes, they snap picture with the husband, that they do this one. That it be say marriage is sweet, oh, nothing like that, oh. My people, oh. You know, so when you just see some kind, I want to be like these people. I dey treat for their marriage. I dey do this, my dear. Forget that thing, oh. Just forget that thing. See Chacha now. When he come out that the people they say na lie. Some people they say na lie. Now whole video where you want art. Somebody use the mouth talk. They say na whole video where you want art. See now. She did I say I drive a bicycle. Enter Instagram. Now I see her. Now I see her when she they use her own mat they talk. If they use her own mat they talk. For hospital bed. She wear those hospital uniform. And one time I see her whole video again that she did art. She even see talk and inside. Say she come out that they talk. Say her marriage. Say she's done with the marriage. He say but people they feel say she they lie. Because she never really did strong now to come and talk. She never really did strong. She did hospital. She did hospital bed. You know, I do video put now say, may they pray for Chacha. They feel say maybe na joke I did. See video, another video now, where she say the hospital, she dey talk. I go put the video, my country people, more na see am with my own eye, koro eye. This will not be say person tell me. My darling people, more than not they use themselves, they say, oh, I want to be like these people, their marriage, this, that, kinikon. When you go see what you go the apple for, then you go shock talize, they say, hey, oh Chacha, we be say, the way with the man be, you go ever believe that man go the maltreat Chacha. Now it makes she lean that time, which she can't lean, can't be like, choke or worry that period. Because what she they pass through that time, she not be talking, but she can't they lie, they tell us, say, if he make up, if face not the good, if he do this, he can't they lie to us that time. Nah, we can't really know, say not be even that one. It not be diet. She was dying in silence. She was dying in silence, really. Like seriously. She was dying, but she not fit talk. Now they hear my people. Now they see. They say wetin cloth cover. It's too many. Wetin cloth cover. It's too many. It's too many. Oh, this makeup. So you go cover so many things. You go they just they look say everything they okay. See who go expect say as in the way Chacha marriage, the way that the two of them with your husband be like 5 and 6, like the two of at a time they can't they look alike safe. The way the two of them be, you go believe say na Chacha will come out now they talk within they pass through. He said God knows say Austin never beat him before. Say never beat him. I could put and go use una go listen. Una go listen for your own mouth. This is not both the third person. For your own mouth, now they talk. And they hear my country people, my ogbonge people. I tell you, I say, this life, no talk, say now, so I want to be like this person. In marriage, this sweet, this, that. My dear, when you go see something and you go shock talize 10 times. You go shock talize. I dey surprised, say na Chacha, now can be this one. Na Chacha, now can be this one. Now wow. I been more pray for her. She did hospital, She did there. So that is why anything you pass through for your marriage, if na what you go feel beer, you feel beer. But if not be what you feel beer, my dear, they no tie your leg for there. Not before say you must stay there, my dear. You see and say you not fit in her beg. Marriage not be do or die something. May you base, may you pick reason. Not be do or die something, no. When you can't dey there, you dey die in silence there. Obviously everything go dey okay. At the end now, you can't say nothing, no. Now the way it be, now so you see be, oh my dear, pick reason. Before you go enter one chance, the way Chacha be now, because Chacha they talk and now people they feel say na joke it dey. The two of them good together. Why Chacha will come out now? They're good together. My dear, you did there. If they follow that, they stay as. You know what should they pass through? If they follow them, stay. As far as you know, they follow them, stay. Not just they talk with your eye no reach. Now wow. See Chacha for hospital they talk. So not be whole video. People wait they say na whole video. Mona can't see. Mona can't hear. Now go know say not be whole video. Okay, my darling people, my younger people, I see another update. I will consider tell you now again. Thank you, my darling people, and God bless you. But for me, share this video, share around. You wait see the domestic violent marriage. You wait they pretend to yourself say everything they okay. Can't listen no. And then you go know say marriage not be the way people they reason now, not be so it be also marriage. Okay, my people, take care, bye.